Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be doing consumer arithmetic. Subtopic, hire purchase. Let's get started. Now, for hire purchase, I'm sure you've heard about it, where there are times when we're unable to afford the cash price and we have places that offer a different option. It might be more money. Well, it is more money when you calculate it, but it is feasible for us to buy the product. We're able to afford it. So, as defined here, a purchaser pays an initial deposit, then picks up the item under a hire purchase contract. So, you'll have an initial deposit that you have to pay, something that is affordable, and of course you can pay more if you want, but it is affordable, and then you agree to pay the remaining as installments. So that's why we say after that he or she pays regular payments or installments. The installment covers both the loan repayment and the interest that the vendor is charging. So there is some interest. If you're taking a loan, you have to have some interest. Why do a loan? To make it, you want somebody to get it, get this item, but it's going to charge a little bit more, but it is more affordable for you to now have this item and pay in small installments. Now, the purchaser owns the item at the conclusion of the agreement period. If you don't pay off all of it, they can reclaim the item. Now we have some hire purchase formulas. So the total amount paid is the deposit plus the installments, the total installments. That's the hire purchase amount. So the deposit that you pay plus the total amount of installments will tell you the amount that the vendor will be getting. The interest paid is the total amount paid minus the original price of the item. That is how you know your interest, the interest that the vendor is getting. Let's look at an activity. John buys a new stove. The advertised price was $32,000. Under the terms of a hire purchase contract, John agrees to pay a deposit of $3,500 and monthly repayments of $1,050 over 3 years. Under this agreement, what is the total cost to John of the stove? Now, remember, hire purchase is the total amount paid is equal to the deposit plus installment. So for here, I know the deposit. So I already know what is my deposit here. The deposit here is $3,500. So I know my deposit is $3,500. Now what I need to note is what is the total installment. And to find the total installment, first of all, they say 3 years, but I'm paying it monthly. In 1 year, I have 12 months. So it means in 3 years, I am going to have 12 times 3. So I'm going to write the 12 times 3. So this means I'll be paying $1,050 for 36 months. So to find the total installment, I will say $1,050 times 36. So we have 3,500 plus, this is where we say 1,050 times 36, and that gives us 37,800. So right here, I will have 37,800. So 37,800 plus 3,500, I am going to have, this is the total amount I will be paying this vendor for my new stove. It's 41,300. Now, to find the interest, we have to do the difference. The total amount paid minus the original price. The total amount paid is 41,300. And the original price is 32,000. So I'm going to have minus 32,000. And after subtracting this, this will give me my interest. So my interest on this is 9,300. So this is the amount that the vendor is making if I choose this contract. The mark price of a freezer is $3,000. There is a discount of 15% for cash payment. To obtain the freezer on hire purchase, a deposit of $595 must be made, along with 18 monthly installments of $220 each are required. Calculate the cash price. So it states that there is a discount of 15%. We have two ways to work this. You can either say find 15%, which would be 15 over 100 times 3,000. So that's finding 15% of the mark price. So that will give me $450. Now this $450 is a discount amount. This is the amount that the vendor will be removing from the price of the freezer if you pay cash. You know, sometimes you go to places and they'll say, okay, I'll take off this amount if you're gonna buy it cash. So it means the cash amount will be 3,000 minus the 450, that is the discount. So 3,000 minus 450, and that gives us 2,550. Another way that we could do this, since I say it's a discount of 15%, it means that we'll be only paying 85% of the freezer. Because if I'm getting a discount of 15%, it's out of 100. It means how much am I paying? I'm paying 85%. So I can find 85% of the mark price. So 85 over 100 times 3,000. So we'd have the same amount we would get, which is $2,550. Now, the next part says the total amount paid if bought on hire purchase. So as we know, if we buy it on hire purchase, we will have the total amount paid is equal to the deposit plus installments total. So looking at this, the deposit is $595. So I'm going to write $595 here. While my installment, I have 18 monthly installment of $220. So the total installment will be 18 times $220. So calculating this, I will get 3,960. So in other words, I will have 595 plus 3,960, and that will give me put my dollar sign, 4,555, which is more. So it's $4,555. The difference between the cash price and the higher purchase price as a percentage of the mark price. So they want us to find the difference between the cash price and the higher purchase price as a percentage of the mark price. So first, let's find the difference. So to find the difference, I will have the higher purchase price, which is 4,555 minus 2,550, and that will give me 2,005. And they say they want it as a percentage of the mark price. So the mark price is 3,000, and then we will times it by 100. So 2005 divided by 3,000, and then you times it by 100, we will get 66.8%. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.